beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Classy Sassy Manes, and I'm Charmaine. Today we are going to be taking a look at wig grips. Now we've got a few different kinds. However, I don't have all different kinds. There's still more, and they come in all different colors. Right now what I have on is Luxe Sleek from Renee of Paris, one of their new styles. This is in the color of Melted Marshmallow. Isn't she beautiful? I don't know if Melted Marshmallow is really my color. I may need a different color for me. Maybe more beautiful on some other people. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below. But she is a really beautiful wig. I love her. She has a little bit of permatease going on in there. And just to give her some little bit of volume. Beautiful, beautiful. But let's get to talking about wig grips. Different people have asked me different questions about wig grips. Generally, I don't always wear a wig grip because I do have a little bit of bio hair now, a little more than I did. I'm still thin on top, so I still buzz it. However, with a little bit of hair up there, sometimes that acts as a wig grip, and I don't really have to wear them so much anymore. I used to have a lot more, but I've kind of given away quite a few of them because I don't wear them, so I give them to people that do need them. However, let's take this off, and I'm going to go over some wig grips. This is Luxe Sleek, Renee of Paris. Isn't she beautiful? All right, dear. So, Melted Marshmallow. Let's put her up right here. I do have one on right here. This one is from Amazon. I do have a wig cap on also underneath. You don't always have to have a wig cap. Sometimes people that are allergic or have itchy conditions with their scalp with the different wigs can wear a wig cap. I do not usually wear one, but I am today just for purposes to show y'all. This, I do have, I think, one cheap headband wig that I wear sometimes that is just really cute, and it itches me a little bit, so I do wear a wig cap with that one. But this one here, I do have on. Now, when you put one on a wig grip, when you put it on, you have to make sure that the roughness is when you feel it going, when you're rubbing backwards. Because if you have your your wig on, when you go backwards, that's when you want it to catch. You don't want it to be smooth going backwards to where it'll fall off. So that's why you need to make sure that you're putting them on correctly. So they're rubbing forward, they're smooth. Backwards, it's rough. So that way it catches the wig and it doesn't let it come off or fall off. So all different colors. This one just happens to be dark brown. This one's dark brown. This one also is made by MH. And it has adjusters here. It does not have the Velcro, which I really like this because it's more narrow at the nape, and sometimes more narrow at the nape is better for me because I am more petite. And then this also has a little red tag there. So this red tag, and it comes with instructions, means that if you have that on the outside and on the right, you've got your wig grip on correctly. And this comes in different colors. All right, now John Renault also makes one similar to that. Let me see where I can find it. I know I have it here somewhere, like this. Okay, and you can get that at like some online wig places, or and that's from John Renault. But it does not have the little indicators on where they are correctly laid. So you have to feel and make sure where's the rough area. Make sure you have it on correctly. This one has the lace, so that way wherever you have your part, if it's a left-sided part, then you're going to have your left. You're going to have this on your left side. And then, let's see, yep. So, and I have to, if they're too wide, because I'm a little narrow, they don't fit me well, because then they're like really loose back here. See, it looks like I have a crown on, because they have to come back. I don't want them poking out too far under my cap. So, there we go. Or if it's in the middle, then you'd put the middle part, the lace in the middle if it was a middle part. Okay. And yeah, the rough part is going back because you don't want your wig to fall off. And you can adjust it how you need to with this little adjuster. Now, there is a silicone one, and the silicone also comes in different colors. I don't know if you can see the little bumps. That's on both sides. And this is silicone. So here in Louisiana, where it's very humid, you know, it definitely gets, in the summertime, would get very hot. So these are not my favorite. So, but it's not, definitely not going to go anywhere. But you've got the little bumps, the little stays, whatever you want to call them, that'll keep it on the inside and outside. But that's just an area for some sweat for me in the summertime. So, all right, I am going to take this off because I don't usually wear those anyway. All right, so here is one that has the cap built in. The Velcro, it has the Velcro in the back. I'm not a big fan of Velcro. It's okay. It doesn't bother me, but it's okay. It's just wide and it's hard. So it's not as narrow and softer like the John Renault and the other one. But this one does have the lace here for the part. And this one also has for a lace front. Can you see that? Lace front. So if it was a middle one, you just put it in the middle. If it was on the side, the left part, you'd put it on the left. And you would tighten it up. Okay. Say it was a middle. We'd put it out in the middle. Now, with me being a petite, I would have extra. Now, if you had bio hair, you could wear one of these and still put your bio hair up under that and then put a wig grip on. Some people just wear a wig grip, just kind of twirl it around, put it up, and then put a wig grip on, and that's how they wear their hair under a wig. You can wear one of these and put your hair up under and then wear one of these. People like me, we probably will have quite a bit of room. So you can tuck it under. You can tuck it under this and get out the excess room. Okay. So, and there you go. And your wig grip is not going anywhere. But you have your lace here, your front lace, which here, if it's in the middle, it's going to be temple to temple, or closer to your ears. Temple to temple. But if it's on the side, remember your lace here will probably be like up in this area. So if you have a lace front wig, just be cautious that this part might show if you wear a wig grip. But you can get the single, just the single grips without the hat part with the lace here. But you can also get them with the lace fronts also. I don't have one right now. I did, but I gave it away to somebody who needed it, and I didn't use it. So you can get all different kinds. I think this one I had ordered in just to show you. The others I had in, so. But I'll probably wind up giving this away too, because I won't use it. All right, and then like I said, we have all different kinds and colors. We have them with the wide parts here, and just solids, different colors, different types too. This one's from Amazon. You just have to figure out and make sure that you're putting it on correctly. This one is called the Hair Grip. No, they don't know I'm talking about them. It's from the hairgrip.com. They did not give me these. I bought these because I like the company. It's from a small company ran here in America. And as long as you put it on with this on where you can read it, and the tag is on the inside. This tag is on the inside, not the outside like others. And this actually has a silicone strip on the inside. They have a silicone strip on the inside. I love their stuff because of that. So when I do wear, this is what I really like because of the, see that silicone? And then that tag is on the inside. So when I really do wear, I see and make sure that you could read that. So I know that this is on the inside. The silicone strip is where it's in here. So I know it's not going anywhere. It's not got like the silicone one here. It doesn't have those bumps. It's not that wide where I've got like a big band of sweat that's going to happen in the humidity down here, in the heat and humidity of Louisiana. But it's just enough to know it's not going anywhere. And it's on correctly. And it's got a good wide lace area here. And they come in different colors. They have them solid, or you can have them in the lace with the silicone. And that is from the hairgrip.com. No, they don't even know I'm talking about them. So, I don't have a code or anything because they have no clue that I'm talking about them because I'm just an average customer to them guys. But I do love their product. Anyway, but this is a few hair grips, and I hope this helped you. I hope that you decide on which one you might like, depending on where you live, what you like, and what you might need for your hair or lack of hair or thinning hair like me. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And I have more videos to come, not just of teaching, but of some more wig reviews coming out from some very good companies. So stay tuned for those, and I will see you next time.